Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm going to teach you how to get rid from ads in YouTube. So basically when you open your YouTube, so you will see ads, right? And you have to wait until the ad is disappear. But what you can do to make it disable, so you can go to your browser, you can go Google or you can use Microsoft Edge. As for now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So what you can do is just go to the top right the corner of the browser, click that one and find extension. Alright, then scroll down, then you go to this one, Chrome Web Store, then type in the box you block origin. Okay, this one, so choose this one, then add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, after that, after the uBlock origin installed in your Chrome, okay, then you can refresh your YouTube channel. So let's see if it happened. Yes, that's it. There's no more ads. Okay, how about we choose another? So is it no more ads? Yes, also no more ads to block your video. So with that, I hope you guys try it. Thank you.